See, yesterday we have defined the business areas. Now today we will see consolidation business area. So maintain consolidation business area. So before maintaining the consolidation business area, let us see one function. Some of you are facing one problem like while doing the practice, some of you might have faced this situation. Raz, can you please mute yourself? Raz.
Sir, it's already in.
Yeah. Ravindra Rajesh, please mute yourself. Wali, please mute yourself. Yeah. See, for example, I am going to the screen where we create the company code. See, sometimes you may get this message. Data is locked by the user Janardhan and can be displayed only. Here in this particular scenario, it is showing the username Janardhan. But sometimes it may be showing some other name, right? So the data is locked by the user Janardhan and can be displayed only. Do you want to display locked data? So in this case, even if you click on yes, right, you don't get the new entries button. So you don't get the new entries button. So when you don't get the new entries button, you cannot create the company code, right? In that case, how to face this situation? How to solve this problem, right? Go back to notes, please. Go back to notes, please. Put heading, unlocking the screens. Unlocking the screens. If the several users are trying to access the same screen, if the several users are trying to access the same screen, the system will give access to the first user. The system will give the access to the first user. For the subsequent users, the system will give the locked message. The system will give the locked message like below. Like below. Write down this message. Within inverted quotations, the data is locked by the user Lakshman. The data is locked by the user Lakshman. Within brackets, username. Here in this particular scenario, it is showing the user Lakshman. The data is locked by the user Lakshman. Within brackets, username. And it can be displayed only. And can be displayed only. And can be displayed only. Do you want to display locked data? Do you want to display locked data? Inverted commas closed. Inverted commas closed. Look at the screen. Already we have opened the screen, right? Company code screen, right? Again, in another session, I am trying to access the same screen. I am trying to access the same screen. See, the data is locked by Lakshman, user Lakshman, right? In that case, continue. In that case, we have to unlock the data. We have to unlock the screen, not data. We have to unlock the screen. For that, Click yes on the message. Click yes on the message. Click yes on the message. Go to the transaction code SM12. Go to the transaction code SM12. Username is equal to, username is equal to, enter the name of the user, enter the name of the user by whom the screen was locked. Enter the name of the user by whom the screen was locked. So here we got the message that data was locked by Lakshman, right? So you enter the username Lakshman. If it gives the somebody else name, you enter the somebody else name. Continue. Go to menu lock entry. Go to menu lock entry. List. Go to menu lock entry list. Again, go to menu lock entry. Go to menu lock entry. Delete all. Go to menu lock entry. Delete all. Click yes on the message. Click yes on the message. Click yes on the message. Then close the performance assistant screen. Close the performance assistant screen. See, this is called performance assistant screen. Close means click on this into button. Close the performance assistant screen. Now you will be able to access the same screen again. So normally in the real time, it will not happen because based on the role of the employees, the specific screens will be given to employees. See. Now it is taking you to the screen where you can create the company code by clicking on new entries. So this is unlocking of the screens. Now, today's topic is maintain consolidation business area. So consolidation business area means the consolidation business areas are used to prepare the financial statements according to the regions or product groups. See, the consolidation business areas are used to prepare the financial statements according to regions and product groups. The definition of consolidation business areas are also optional. The individual business areas are assigned to consolidation business area. Means, for example, our company code is in India, right? So we are doing the business throughout India. For the operational convenience, we have divided our total operations into 4 regions: Southern region, Northern region, Western region, and Eastern region. So in the southern part of the country, India, we are carrying on business in Hyderabad, Chennai, Visakhapatnam, and Bangalore. Then in the northern region, we are carrying on business in Delhi, Chandigarh. In the western region, we are carrying on business in Mumbai and Pune. In the eastern region, we are carrying on business in Cuttack and Kolkata. This is how you are carrying on your business in India. Now, in this case, right, the management wants to know the profit from each of the individual regions, individual cities. So in this case, right, these Hyderabad, Chennai, Visakhapatnam, Delhi, Bangalore, Chandigarh, Mumbai, Pune, Cuttack, Kolkata are created as business areas. This is what you have done in yesterday's class. So in this case, if this is the case, right, if this is the scenario, The management wants to know the profit from the individual cities and also from the region wise. For that purpose, we create the individual cities as business areas. Now, the southern region, northern region, western region, and eastern region, they are created as consolidation business areas. After creating southern region, northern region, western region, and eastern region, right, we assign the individual business areas to consolidation business areas. In this case, Hyderabad, Chennai, Visakhapatnam, and Bengaluru business areas are assigned to southern region consolidation business area. When you prepare the financial statements for Hyderabad, Chennai, Visakhapatnam, and Bengaluru, the sum of these financial statements will become the financial statement for the southern region. So you can find the profit from the southern region. Then we create northern region, again another consolidation business area. After that, we assign Delhi and Chandigarh to northern region. And we create western region, another consolidation business area. Then we assign Mumbai and Pune to the western region. Then we create the eastern region as consolidation business area. Then again, we assign Cuttack and Calcutta to eastern region. So with help, by assigning the individual business areas to consolidation business areas, at the consolidation business area level, we can find the profit and also we can find the financial status. That is the use of the consolidation business area. And also the definition of consolidation business area is also optional. Now let us see how to maintain the consolidation business areas. Path is SPRO, means it is also the job of the consultant. SPRO, enterprise structure, then definition, then financial accounting, then maintain consolidation business area. Click on new entries. Just a minute. Yeah. Click on new entries. Consolidation business area is equal to SP01. Just like that. I'm giving SP01. Our company code is SSPN, right? So from our company code, I have taken SP. 01 means first business area. Like that. You can give any identification also. Description, southern region. Description, southern region. Consolidation business area is called SP02. Description, northern region. Consolidation business area SP03. Description, western region. Consolidation business area SP04. We will see. Consolidation business area SP04. Description, eastern region. So we have created 4 consolidation business areas. Click on Save. Now, see the next step. Assign business areas to consolidation business area. Path is SPRO, means it is also the job of the consultant. I will tell you, Teja. Let me complete the step, I will tell you.
Okay.
Path is, see, assign business area to consolidation business area. Path is same as, SPRO /n SPRO. Enterprise structure, assignment. You can see the path, right? Assign business area to consolidation business area. See, after assignment, one folder is missing in the material. After assignment, you please add one folder, financial accounting. Financial accounting. Then assign business area to consolidation business area. The individual business areas are to be assigned to consolidation business areas. Then click on position. Business area is equal to SSPM. Business area is equal to SSPM. Now I have given one table, right? Business is equal to SSPM. Click on enter. After that, I have given one table here, right? Write down. Under the business area, SSPM. Under the business area, SSPM. Under the description, Hyderabad. Consolidation business area, SP01. So Hyderabad belongs to southern part of India, so southern region. So if you press on F4, right, you can see your consolidation business area list. Look at the screen. Here I have pressed on F4, right? So you can see that more than 500 input options are there. Means in the system, more than 500 business consolidation business areas are defined, right? So from the list, you have to select your business consolidation business area. If you scroll down, right? See, your consolidation business areas are not there, right? At one time, the system can display only certain number of lists only, certain number of options only. But here, we are not able to see our consolidation business areas. In that case, click on this button. Click on this symbol. So what is the consolidation business area you want to see? SP01. Then you click on enter. See, you can see your consolidation business area. Otherwise, suppose if you enter SP asterisk, then the system will display all the consolidation business areas, which includes the letter SP. Following? See. So from the list, we can see. Clear, no? Yeah. Consolidation business area is equal to SP01. Description, southern region. Then again, business area SSPA. In the next line, business area SSPA. Description, Chennai. Description, Chennai. Chennai means again, southern India only, right? So consolidation business area, SP01. Description, southern region. So all these things you have to write in the table. Third line. Business area SSPB. Business area SSPB. Description Delhi. Delhi means northern India. So consolidation business area SP02. Description northern region. Description northern region. Then consolidation business area SSPC. I'm sorry, business area. Business area SSPC. Description Agra. Consolidation business area SP02. Consolidation business area SP02. Description Northern region. Description Northern region. Then business area. Yes, any regions also. Right? Any region can be created as a consolidation business area. But we have to create them as first as consolidation business areas. Next, business area SSPD. Description Mumbai. Mumbai means Western region. Consolidation business area SP03. Description Mumbai. Sorry, description Western region. I'm sorry. Description Western region. Next, business area SSPE. Description Pune. It is also Western region, right? So consolidation business area SP03. Description Western region. Sorry, business area SSPF. Description Cuttack. Eastern India, right? Cuttack means Eastern India, eastern part of India. So consolidation business area SP04. Description Eastern region. Business area SSPG.
Kolkata.
Yeah. Description Calcutta. Consolidation business area SP04. Description Eastern region. Click on Save. Now you write some points below the notes, below the step. Write down 1 point. Write down 2 points. Note 1. Note 1. We can assign any number of business areas. We can assign any number of business areas to one consolidation business area. We can assign any number of business areas to one consolidation business area. Note number 2. We can assign one business area to only one consolidation business area. We can assign one business area to only one consolidation business area. What does it mean? Don't get confused. Very simple. See, we can assign any number of business areas to one consolidation business area. For example, SP03 consolidation business area is there. For SP03, we assigned Mumbai and Pune. Okay, and that is the note number 1. We can assign any number of business areas to one consolidation business area. Note number 2 is one business area can be assigned to only one consolidation business area. For example, Delhi was assigned to SP02 northern region. Then Delhi again cannot be assigned to any other consolidation business area. That is the meaning of it, right? Now, somebody posted one question. Teja, how to connect SP01 code with the company and company code? And how the system knows that it belongs to certain company? Here, yesterday I told you one point, business areas. Business areas cannot be assigned to any company code. In that case, how the system will identify the business transactions with the business areas of respective company codes? For that, at the time of posting every business transaction, the user has to enter the company code and business area. So, with the help of the company code and business area entered at the time of posting the business transaction, they will be posted to the respective business areas of respective company codes. Now, we have assigned the individual business areas to consolidation business area. Now, the transactions of the respective business areas will be posted to respective consolidation business areas. Remember, business areas and consolidation business areas cannot be assigned to any company code. Cannot be means it's not at all possible. Even if you want to assign, it's not possible. There is no screen or there is no transaction code, there is no path. Right? Do one thing. Write down one more point. Note number 3. The business areas and the consolidation business areas cannot be assigned to any company code. Look at the scheme. See, at the time of posting the transactions, see, for example, we post the transactions in F-02. All these things I'll explain you later, how to post the transactions. I am posting rent to payment. See, here, already we have entered the company code, no? Then business area. So at the time of posting every business transaction, the user enters the company code and business area. With the help of the business area and company code entered, the system will post the transactions to the business areas of respective company codes. Again, now we have assigned the business areas to consolidation business area. That's how the company codes, business areas, and consolidation business areas are connected with each other. But it's not possible to assign business areas and consolidation business areas as such to the company. Now, one more thing. Here, up to business areas, right? Up to definition of business areas, I have given the path and I have given the transaction code, right? But for the maintain consolidation business area, I have given path only. I did not give the transaction code. Similarly, for assign business areas to consolidation business area also, I did not give the transaction code. I gave only path, right? Write down. Here some space is there, no? Against the maintain consolidation business area step, we have some space, right? Please write down. If the path is given, you can put any note. Against the step only, you can write down. Put any note. If the path is given, we can find the transaction code. If the path is given, we can find the transaction code. For example, to find the transaction code, for maintain consolidation business area, maintain consolidation business area. First, we have to execute the path. First, we have to execute the path like, write down this, SPRO, enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, maintain consolidation business area. Maintain consolidation business area. See, first we have to execute the path. SPRO. Enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, maintain consolidation business area. Write down. Come to the last line in the path. Come to the last line in the path. Come to the last line in the path. So what is the last line in the path? Maintain consolidation business area, right? Then go to menu, additional information. Go to menu, additional information. Again, additional information. You have to write additional information 2 times. Go to menu, additional information. Again, additional information. Display key. Display key. IMG activity. IMG activity. Look at the screen. So you have to come to the last line. What is last line? Maintain consolidation business area, right? Then go to menu, additional information. Again, additional information. Display key, IMG activity. So something is added for every activity, right? Right now. Keep the cursor on. Keep the cursor. Keep the cursor against the activity for which the transaction code is required. For which the transaction code is required. In that line, the last 4 letters, is the transaction code. The last 4 letters is the transaction code. Look at the screen, please, everybody. So maintain consolidation business area. Against this, keep the cursor. Sorry. The last 4 letters is the transaction code, means OCC1. Now, here you can read the T code OCC1. Transaction code OCC1. Then, see, again, I did not give the transaction code for assign business area to consolidation business area. So first execute the path, come to last line. Like what? SPRO. Enterprise structure, assignment, financial accounting. See, assign business area to consolidation business area. So you came to the last line. Again, go to menu, additional information. Again, additional information. Display key, IMG activity. Again, keep the cursor against assign business area to consolidation business area. 4 letters, last 4 letters, OBB6 is the transaction code, right? Write down here again, T code OBB6. T code OBB6. Continue. This procedure is applicable. This procedure is applicable only in IMG stream. This procedure is applicable only in IMG stream. Now, the next topic is fiscal year variant. This topic totally takes nearly 45 minutes, right? This we will do in tomorrow's class. Any questions from anybody? I hope everybody has started the practice, right?
Yeah, Lakshman, this is Raj speaking.
Yeah, Raj.
So what is that last statement you mentioned? This procedure is applicable in IMG screen.
Only in IMG screen. Means this facility is given only for consultants.
Oh, okay. So my another question is, you provide the document in PDF, right? How am I able to edit in the document itself?
No. What you have to do is, you have to take the physical printout, right?
Oh, okay.
And you have to write the notes every day. Yes.
Oh, okay. So I didn't take that printout. Okay. Yeah, anyway, I'll make that note.
That is better.
Yeah, okay. So one more thing. Can you repeat that unlocking procedure one more time, because I missed that one.
What is that? Which procedure?
The unlocking procedure of, because if I'm trying to enter business areas, I got the screen saying that somebody is logged the screen.
Yes. So suppose, for example, assign business area to consolidation business area. So it is locked by Lakshman.
Yes.
Okay. Then in that case, you have to click yes on the message. Okay. Then go to transaction code SM12. Okay. Then you enter the username by whom the screen was locked. Okay. Then go to menu, lock entry list. So the system will display all the locked entries. Again, go to menu, lock entry, delete all. Then delete all lock entries, yes. Click yes on the message. Then close this screen. That's it.
Okay. Yeah, that SM12 one I didn't remember. Yeah.
Not seen?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Now, one more thing is, why do we require transaction code? Teja, right, has given one question to me. Why do we require transaction code? It is another way of accessing this. Transaction code is the convenient way of accessing the things. So SAP has given you two alternatives. You can use the path or you can use the transaction code, as you wish. So if you want to go somewhere, you have the two paths, two ways. So whatever the way you feel convenient, you can choose it. In the same way, right? While developing the configuration, SAP also has given you two alternatives. According to your convenience, and you can use either transaction code or path. Okay, Teja.
Sir, can you please show with the use of transaction code one entry like
user transaction code? I cannot show you anything now, because first of all you have to complete the configuration settings. Then only we can do user transactions. For example, if you want to post one transaction in the general ledger, right, lot of settings have to be developed. Unless you develop those settings, you cannot post any transactions in your company code. We are in that process only. We are developing the configuration settings which we require to post the transactions.
So you mean like if you want to find the specific transaction in that entry, we use transaction code, or is it correct? RPath.
Yes, RPath.
Okay, but you showed one transaction code. Like, what is the use of that code? Like, I can't link the between the previous topic and this topic.
No. See, you have asked one question. How do we link the business area, consolidation business area to company code? This is the question what you have asked, right?
Yes.
That, what I told you is, while posting the business transactions, the user enters the company code in business area.
Yes.
Okay. Then these transactions will be posted to respect to business areas of respect to company codes.
Yes, that I got clear.
Assigned, let me complete. We have assigned the business areas to consolidation business area. Then whatever the transactions posted to the business area will also be available in the consolidation business area.
Yes.
Just to show you this link where we can enter the company code in business area, I have taken you to the transaction code F-02. In F-02, we post the business transactions, the general ledger.
Yes.
Right? So I have taken the example of another company code. Because for our company code, I cannot use the F-02 transaction code. Because we have not yet completed the settings for the company code, our company code SSPN.
Okay. Can you please show the process once again?
You can't understand anything here.
Not this thing.
Yeah.
The transaction code, finding the transaction code.
Finding the transaction code, huh?
Yeah.
Suppose you want to find the transaction code for maintain consolidation business area, right? So first you have to execute the path for maintaining consolidation business area. What is the path for maintaining consolidation business area? SAP. No. I'm just asking. Don't give me the answer. Need not give the answer. Enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, maintain consolidation business area. So you have to come to the last line in the path. Then go to menu, additional information. Again, additional information. Display key, IMG activity. Still no clear?
Yeah.
Then the system will add some sentences or some lines against every activity. So I need the transaction code.
Sir, my doubt is how do we get this and what are the uses of this?
This is the SAP standard functionality.
Okay.
I can't say how do we get this. When you click on this display IMG, the software automatically gives you these lines.
Okay.
That is the facility provided by SAP.
Yeah.
Suppose if I am giving you the recording of every session, then if you say, why you are giving the everyday recording means?
No, my doubt is, but for every time we are accessing this screen, the last 4 digits are changing. For
every activity, screens are different, no?
Yeah.
So the last 4 letters are your transaction code. This is one of the facility given by the SAP software for the consultants.
Okay, using this last four digits, what can we do?
Is the transaction code, yeah. See, instead of executing the path, right? Okay. If you enter OCC1, you can access the screen directly. It seems you are not listening to the recordings. See, you came to the consolidation business areas or automatically. Okay. So in order to access any screen, you can use the path or you can use the transaction code. In case if the path is given, transaction code is not given. So how to find the transaction code? I told you the procedure, nothing else.
Okay. Now I got it.
And I request everybody to attend the classes regularly. See, this is our 5th class, right? Most of you have paid the fees. There are nearly 45 plus students, but today only 30 came. Means again they started irregularity. It will disturb your preparation. There is no use in paying the fees. So always you have to be regular to the class. Of course, sometimes you may have some commitments. In that case, you can be absent from the class. But as far as possible, be regular in the class. Listen to the recording every day. Do the practice every day. Then only you get the clarity of the subject. Almost 30% of the students are absent today. I remember you, they have paid the fees. Just 5th class itself, they were absent. In that case, right, of course, they may listen to the recording, but live class is always very effective. Yeah, Navya is asking one question. The configuration settings screens are same in SAP ECC and S4HANA. There are some changes. There are 20 more. Suppose, for example, company code is there. So in SAP ECC and S4HANA, company code screen is same. Company screen is same. Business area screen is same. consolidation business as a screen is same, right? So almost all the configuration settings are same in SAP ECC and S/4HANA. But in S/4HANA, the new functionalities have been introduced. In further, they have introduced some changes. There are 20 to 25% changes. These changes, right, I'm going to explain you in S/4HANA classes. Further, first you have to understand what is SAP ECC. Then only you can understand what are the changes in S/4HANA and what is the use of those changes. Till now, what are the settings you have done? The same screens, same paths, same transaction codes are also there in SAP S/4HANA also. Any questions from anybody?
Yeah,
Here
one
we
question.
use our S/4HANA also.
Lakshman,
Yes.
yeah, when you are unlocking the other users, so you enter the SM tool, right? That's the inbuilt function of SAP, or do we
No,
need to
it's
remember
inbuilt
that?
function of SAP.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Okay, Lakshman, yeah, I'm good.
Okay, okay then. I hope everything is clear to everybody. See you tomorrow same time. Good night and good day.
Yeah, thank you.